Discovery of vernalization. Gustav Gassner, 1928, was a German plant physiologist. He was working with rye, Sessik cereal, found that temperature is critical during early stages of seed germination. He showed flowering and fruiting depends on temperatures during this critical stage. Vernalization refers to requirement of low temperature given to the seed or the plant which results in promotion of flowering. Low temperature treatment is also required by certain seeds before dormancy is broken and the germination starts. Shoot bud dormancy in some plants like Betula is overcome by low temperature. But the low temperature requirement for processes other than flowering is not considered to be vernalization process. Cabbage and Brussels sprout plants need to be exposed to low temperature, 12 to 17 degrees C, for initiation of flowering. Secondly, the plant initiates flowers while it's still under low temperature. This is because the optimum temperature for the flowering of these plants is low. This is not considered to be vernalization. Vernalization also refers to low temperature given to the seed or the plant at an early stage. The effect persists and results in flowering much later when the plant may be growing at high temperature. In other words, the effect of vernalization is inductive in nature and the plant need not to be exposed to low temperature at the time of flowering itself. Forms of vernalization. Qualitative or biennial form. The plants which survive 2 growing seasons are called biennial plants. The plants of Hyoscyamus have the biennial or qualitative vernalization requirement. Their first growing season is before winter. They are sown in summer. They develop vegetative body in first growing season. They store food in their roots. Then winter comes. Vegetative plant dies. After winter the underground root give rise to new plant body. Second growing season. The plant develops flowers and seeds. It is harvested in spring. Without being exposed to low temperature, this plant fails to flower and remain vegetative indefinitely. Quantitative or annual form. The plants which survive 1 growing season are called annual plants. Vernalization requirement of several plant like rye, pea, gram is quantitative in nature. These plants can flower even without vernalization, but the temperature treatment fastens flowering. For example, Petkin's rye flowers 15 weeks without vernalization but takes only 7 weeks to flower when low temperature treatment is given. Site of vernalization. Stem tip. When localized cooling treatment was given to the stem tip which perceives the vernalization effect. The plant then vernalized when the stem tip is chilled, although the rest of the plant may be kept at high temperature. Seed. Seeds are also vernalized before sowing. The embryo in seed receives the vernalization stimulus and not the endosperm. Then seed is sown. It produces flowers, root tips and leaves. In Lunaria biennis the root tip and leaves can be vernalized because they have dividing cells, which are necessary no matter where these are situated. Please subscribe. Like our channel. Thank you.